Historical photos of classic car. 1983 Lamborghini Countach. A bold supercar known for its exotic design and high performance. 1982 Ferrari Mondial. A luxurious four-seater Ferrari with a balance of performance and comfort. 1981 BMW 635 CSI. A luxurious German Grand Tourer with a smooth, refined engine and elegant styling. 1980 Rolls-Royce Camargue. A rare and controversial luxury coupe, designed by Pininfarina. 1979 Lancia Gamma Coupe. An Italian luxury coupe, known for its unique design and advanced engineering. 1978 Porsche 911 Turbo. A high-performance luxury sports car with iconic styling.